What if the secret to living longer wasn't a medicine? What if the secret to a beautiful life wasn't money, success, or perfect circumstances? What if the real secret was something silent, something hidden deep inside your everyday moments, quietly shaping your purpose, your joy, and your reason to wake up every single morning? For centuries, the people of Japan have held on to a timeless philosophy, a gentle but powerful force known as Ikigai, a way of living that brings clarity to your purpose, peace to your heart, and meaning to every breath you take. And today, you're about to discover how this Japanese secret can transform your life too. Life often feels heavy. We wake up rushing. We move through the day without direction. We chase goals that don't satisfy us. We stand in crowded rooms feeling strangely empty. And when night comes, we fall asleep wondering if this is all life was meant to be. But somewhere in the gentle landscapes of Japan, in the peaceful gardens, the quiet villages, and the slow mornings, lives an idea that whispers, life can be different. This idea is Ikigai. Ikigai is not a rule, not a system, not a rigid lifestyle. It is a feeling, a direction, a soft guiding force that connects you to the purpose of life, your life. It is the harmony between what you love, what you are naturally good at, what the world quietly needs from you, and what brings you a deep sense of meaning. But to understand Ikigai, you must slow down and step into the world where it was born. The Japanese secret hidden in everyday life. In Okinawa, a place known as the land of longevity, people live longer than almost anywhere else on Earth. Not because of intense workouts, not because of expensive diets, not because of stress-free lives, but because they live with purpose, every day, every moment. Their mornings begin quietly, a stretch, a small walk, a gentle smile to the sun, a slow breakfast shared with someone they love. Their work is done with calmness, no rushing, no racing, no pressure to be the best. Their attention stays on the task in front of them, whether it's gardening, cooking, teaching, fishing, or caring for others. They live with community. They talk, they laugh, they share meals. They stay connected, heart to heart. This simple, intentional way of living creates emotional balance, mental clarity, and a deep sense of purpose, and this purpose becomes their Ikigai. Ikigai can be thought of as 4 gentle questions. 1. What do you love? The things that light you up from the inside, the activities that make time disappear. 2. What are you good at? Your natural strengths, the skills that feel effortless. 3. What does the world need? Not the entire world, just your world, your community, the people around you. 4. What brings you a deep sense of meaning? Not momentary joy, but the kind that stays long after the moment has passed. Where these 4 elements meet, there lies your Ikigai, your reason for being. But the most surprising thing about Ikigai is this: you don't have to search far for it. You don't have to go on a spiritual retreat. You don't have to escape to the mountains. Most people discover their Ikigai in the small, ordinary moments of life, in a hobby, a habit, a conversation, or even a childhood memory they had forgotten. The power of small joys. One of the most beautiful parts of the Japanese secret is the idea that small joys are not small. They are the heartbeat of life. A warm bowl of soup, a quiet evening breeze, the sound of rain on the roof, the feeling of clean sheets, a good laugh, a shared meal, a moment of silence. These moments are not distractions, they are nourishment. They recharge your spirit. They remind you that life does not need to be extraordinary to be meaningful. Ikigai teaches you to embrace these simple joys, to honor them, to let them shape your day. Because when you find joy in small things, you become unstoppable in the big things. Living with purpose, not pressure. Most of us live under constant pressure to succeed, to earn, to compete, to achieve. But in the Japanese philosophy of Ikigai, purpose is gentle, a slow flame, not a burning fire. Purpose is not something that destroys you, it's something that sustains you. You don't chase Ikigai, you grow into it, like a tree growing towards sunlight, slowly, consistently, patiently. And that is the brilliance of the Japanese secret. It turns life from a competition into a journey. How to find your Ikigai. Finding your Ikigai doesn't happen in a day. It unfolds like a sunrise, gradually, warmly, beautifully. But here is how you begin. Step 1. Look at what brings you joy. Write it down. Cooking, drawing, teaching, planting, building, helping, writing. Whatever makes you feel alive. Step 2. Notice what you are naturally good at. You don't have to be perfect, just naturally gifted. Maybe you listen well. Maybe you make people smile. Maybe you organize. Maybe you lead. Step 3. Think of one small thing you can offer to others. Ikigai is not selfish. It always touches the world in some way. Step 4. Start small, very small. 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes, a tiny step toward what gives you meaning. Over time, these small steps grow into routines. Routines become habits. Habits become identity. And identity becomes purpose. The emotional strength of Ikigai. Ikigai gives you more than motivation. It gives you emotional resilience, the ability to stand strong even when life becomes difficult. Because when you know why you wake up, your mind becomes calmer, your heart becomes stronger, and your life becomes lighter. Stress doesn't break you. Fear doesn't stop you. Failure doesn't define you. Ikigai gives you inner stability, the kind that cannot be shaken by the outside world. Ikigai and the beauty of aging gracefully. In many cultures, aging is feared. But in Japan, aging is honored because with age comes wisdom, calmness, and a deeper connection to one's Ikigai. Older people in Okinawa do not retire from life. They continue their passions. They garden, they walk, they teach younger generations, they laugh, they belong. Their lives stay meaningful because Ikigai does not end, it evolves. Your purpose changes as you grow, and that is perfectly beautiful. Ikigai in your modern life. Even in a fast, busy, chaotic world, you can live with Ikigai. You can slow down. You can breathe. You can choose meaning. You can choose joy. You can choose direction over distraction. You can live life instead of running through it. Ikigai fits into your mornings, your work, your relationships, your dreams, quietly, naturally, powerfully. And once you begin living with it, life becomes lighter, softer, more honest, more beautiful, because your life becomes yours again. A gentle reminder. Your Ikigai is not hidden in the future. It is already here in the pieces of your life, waiting to be noticed. in the talent you forgot, in the passion you abandoned, in the joy you postponed, in the dream you left behind, in the person you are becoming. Ikigai whispers, you matter, you have purpose, you are here for a reason. And when you follow that whisper, your life blooms in a way you never imagined. So breathe, slow down, and begin your journey toward Ikigai, your Japanese secret to a long, meaningful, and truly beautiful life. If this message touched your heart, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more life-changing lessons, and share this with someone who is searching for purpose. Your story is just beginning, and your Ikigai is waiting for you.